Immigration was chasing me here, but I'm here.
No, I don't like it. They can't tell them cut them.
They thought I was terrorist. I said I'm not terrorist, I'm immigrant. Okay? Now check me. Jesus.
I'm so hot. Where's the AC, man?
Sure, Jesus. Wait, before we start. What's the girls? Because they was dancing.
They can dance into this.
They do that thing. And then one of them go like that.
No. They can sing too. The people can sing.
I'm here the one say, Lishakis.
The only thing I can sing, the only time is when I'm in the shower. That song by Michael Jackson when he go.
That's not Michael Jackson, stupid.
Who's that?
That's not Michael Jackson.
Who's that?
You stupid.
R. Kelly?
That's not R. Kelly, he's Nelly, the one with the bling bling.
Yes.
Because listen, when it's I get it hot here, take all the fun of floor, I am getting so hot, I wanna take my clothes, but I cannot. When my mom's in the car.
Be quiet.
My mom's in the car.
Anyways.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Be quiet, you hot. Okay? You may not remember me, but I remember you. When I'm coming off the boat and I come to school. Alright? When I'm coming to school, I walk inside and the boy coming to me, he said,
oh my God, you got Haitian body, yo.
I said, oh, before I can think and blink, the African American girl coming to me and she said,
oh my God, boy, you stink. I don't know why you came here, boy. You look attractive. Oh my God.
I said, it's funny you can think that because you're not even from the country too. You from Africa. Don't come to me and don't talk to my age like that because it's spreading around the country. But anyways, you right there. I see you. Yeah, look at him right there. So no, you right there. Sorry. My man. Anyways, first day of school, I came in with some white K-Swiss. Good shoes. I'm walking. Right? So then he bump into me. He walk. Then he go,
hey boy, man, let me get them shoes right now, man.
I said, my friend, you may not know me, but I know Kung Fu. Then he came to me, he said,
it's funny you would say that because Kung Fu don't work with Gun Fu, fool.
man, I said, then I give him my shoes. I didn't say nothing. I go to my mom, I tell her, Mom, they take my shoes. I start crying.
Boy, in my house, I paid $95 for them damn shoes.
I know.
You let somebody take them? Oh my God.
I know. Then I think she wanna come and kiss me. You know what she said?
I'm taking you to Payless.
Oh Lord.
I'm taking you to Payless.
Oh Lord.
I'm working 2 jobs, Robinson. I'm a single parent. Your father, he's a bum, man, who's there? Okay?
So I go to my father. I tell my father, they take my shoes. Then he say, vengeance is for the enemy. Then I go, I take his